Hello, this is Fred, from quickhacks.com. In this tutorial, you will learn how to set up free custom domain email for your website. This tutorial works for almost all domain names as long as you control its DNS settings. Please note that this tutorial requires you to already have a domain name, with full control over its DNS settings. If you don't have a domain name, you could purchase one using the link in the YouTube video description below. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will be using Cloudflare. The process, however, should be similar to your domain name registrar. Before we get started, please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button. And remember to switch on the notification bell, to get notified for more interesting videos when they are posted. Let's get started. With your internet browser, navigate www.migadu.com. Next, click on the Start for Free button. And then click on the Register Account button. Enter your new account information, check the Terms of Service box to accept Migadu's Terms of Service, and then click on the Sign Up button as in this video. Check your email inbox for a confirmation message from Migadu, and then click on the confirmation link to verify and activate your account. Next, choose a password and then click on the Confirm Account button. Click on Add a Domain. Enter your domain name without the trailing www. Under the DNS Nameservers section, be sure to select Use External Nameservers if this is not selected by default, and then click the Add Email Domain button. Next, you're provided with DNS records by Migadu. To add these, you must log into your domain name dashboard, add them to your DNS records, and then click Done. Check configuration, as demonstrated in this video. After adding all the provided DNS records, scroll up and then click Done. Check Configuration to check and confirm you have added all DNS records correctly. Let's add our first email address. Click on the mailbox link from the left pane, as demonstrated in this video. Next, click on the Add a Mailbox link. Enter your new mailbox information and then click the Create Mailbox button. You can log into your new email address, using the login credentials. Navigate, webmail.migadu.com, enter the new email address, and the associated password, and then click the Sign In button. Go ahead and send or receive an email using the new email address or create any additional email address you may need. That's it. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the notification bell to receive notifications when new videos are posted. Thanks for watching.